Just a progress report on the Caterpillar 95163K. That's the cover for the hydraulic filter. The fuel pump will be bolted to that. That's the throttle cable, a throttle rod, sorry, there's a throttle rod. That's the rod will be straightened out, and all the thread adjusters will be cleaned up. I just had a look at this now. This was seized up. I found a bush in there to take the slop out. That bolts against the frame actually. The split pin goes through there, and a collar at the end of it. So that should be okay. This is the rest of the items that we took off today. That's the levers, battery boxes over there. That's one. Second battery box and frame. This is the frame which goes over the top of the transmission, so we took all that off. There's a cover missing off the back, so I can use this back frame as a pattern to make a plate up which goes along the back. There's another plate then which goes underneath that, just above the counterweight. But these bits we took off this afternoon, and they obviously have to be cleaned down, sanded back, primed. Battery box lid will be constructed for this. There wasn't one on there, so I'll be making a lid to fit that. So job progresses. So next time.